Today we're in the junkyard looking at vehicles and most of all looking for cooling system failures that led to the catastrophic failure of the vehicle. So join me. When these cars and trucks first arrive at the junkyard, they are drained of all their fluids, including coolant. But we can still see the damage caused by chronic overheating. Here we have the holy grail of junkyard finds. This is an LS V8 and a 2010 GMC Sierra 1500. By looking at what's wrong with the vehicle, well, it's easy to see that this had an overheating problem at one time. What would have happened if this engine was maintained properly? Here we have a 1998 Lexus SC300. It's very easy to see that some vehicles have had a cooling system problem. With these vehicles, well, the owner may try to do certain repairs that don't really work, and we could see their haphazard repair on the radiator right here. Here we have the 1999 Land Rover Discovery with the 4-liter V8. This engine is known for having head gasket leaks. With this, well, it's the high temperatures that put stress on the engine that puts stress on that head gasket that causes it to fail. So you gotta wonder, looking at all these cooling system failures that cause head gasket failures, busted radiators, and other issues with the engine, how many of these cars would not be in this junkyard if they had their cooling system properly maintained? Would they still be in this yard if they could run 30 degrees cooler? Rizlone's Hypercool supercoolant reduces engine temperature, prevents overheating, and provides maximum corrosion protection for the cooling system. It is also compatible with all colors of coolants, and it helps to reduce stress on the engine by lowering temperatures. Your customers' vehicles, well, they're under a lot of stress. Modern vehicles typically have lower displacement engines, but they still produce the same amount of power. So it is critical that the cooling system is up to snuff and it's able to compensate for power adders like turbochargers and other things like gasoline direct injection. Products like Rizlone's Hypercool can help keep that cooling system functioning the way it should be and help to lower temperatures.